Hello everyone, welcome back to the Measure Killer YouTube channel, and I have someone with me today.
Hello everyone, I'm Pedro, one of Measure Killer's developers. Built some of the similarity tools, report and model similarity, and I'm here to help out with this discussion today.
All right, cool. So we're gonna talk about some visuals that are going away this year probably from Power BI. So Microsoft is deprecating them and then they will not work anymore. But let's take a look at the website. I'm just gonna switch over here to the blog. Here, Microsoft announces the deprecation of the Power BI Q&A visual. And they say this will go away in December 26, and existing Q&A visuals will basically break. So that's a big one. We have two other visuals that are supposed to go away very soon. We don't know exactly when. The old Bing map visual and the FilledMap visual, which is also based on Bing. So we want to find out today across all our environment, our whole tenant, where those visuals are used in any reports and pages to see, maybe we can already fix it now.
First of all, you need Measure Killer. So if you don't have it, you can download it for free in measurekiller.com. And after you just install the desktop tool, for this specific case, we also need a Measure Killer license. So either you already have one, or you can just request a trial, like Gregory is showing here, to get all the access for all the tools and test it out for yourself. And after you have this, then you're good to go.
All right, what do I do next?
Next step is deciding if you want to run one of the admin or the developer modes. And the main distinction between those is that for the admin modes, you need Fabric or Power Platform Admin. And basically in those modes, you're going to scan all the tenants, including personal workspaces if you want. And for the developer mode, basically you only scan the stuff you already have access to. That's the main difference.
Right. Okay, so I click here. Next thing, I need to authenticate with my account. That's the first thing we need to do. Right here, Measure Killer gets basically an access token that it can work with to do the various API calls. And then I'm going to select a workspace. So in your case, you can select either all workspaces or like production workspaces, something like this. But we have a ton of reports in here, Pedro, right?
I think it's over 600 reports.
Oh my God, wow. Okay.
Yeah.
So let me select this one. And now I'm just gonna show you what to do next. So here, let's assume this is our entire tenant and we want to scan all the reports here. We also have semantic models there. How can I make sure I only get the reports?
I think the easiest way is using the filters we have in this window. So yeah, exactly where you are there, you can select the type, since you want to distinguish the types, and you can search for reports here. And then if you just use select all, yeah, exactly, then you're going to get all the reports on that workspace.
Great. And now I'm also I just want to see, oh yeah, this is really working. Good. And I can hit analyze, and then Measure Killer will do its job. Right. So here, I didn't load all the reports in that workspace, but I think it was like here, 450, so quite a lot of them. And next, I'm gonna go to the report tab.
This tab here, we have basically an overview of all the reports that you already analyzed. So I have a lot of information here about different things. It's a really complete view. But in this case, we're really interested on the visuals. So if you expand the reports, you can see we have basically a hierarchy of the report layout up all the way up into the visuals. So here you can see the visual count for this report in specific. And I think the next step here is to find the visuals you want to replace or at least analyze case by case.
So I'm going to go into the advanced filters here. And now I want to search for all those three visuals that we will need to take care of. And this is very important because I need to select exactly the matching visual name. So it's lowercase, the Power BI native standard visuals, lowercase map and FilledMap. So I can select both. And the Q&A is called qnaVisual. And then I'm gonna apply the filter here and we can see it selecting exactly those three. And then we have this.
Yeah, in this output, what we should see is all the all the reports that are using either one of those three visuals. So maybe you can expand one of those to double check.
The filter actually only shows me the pages then that have one of those visuals, right? So I could also expand and then I would see everything here and I can just double check that this worked correctly. But it seems like this is exactly what we need. We even get the name of the page. So maybe now next step would be, well, collapse it again and obviously export to Excel. Cool. Anyway, so this was it. I think that's all we need. Thank you so much for watching and yeah, see you again at the Measure Killer YouTube channel.
Yeah, thank you guys. Give it a try and let us know.
Thanks.